Hi, friends. In today's video we will log into dashboard. What is Zonfair brand partner? And when we get a successful email notification. So what are the steps that we're going to take? How to set up everything. First, we will click on Zonfair brand partner. You will need a username or email and password. Then you will log in here. For example, if you have successfully registered, you will get a piece of information called You can log in by email or username. We will now go to login. Then, as you can see, our name is Elisa Queen. We just registered this email. You will see a dashboard. Sale agent for KOL and affiliate. And all the members. On the left hand will be included. For example, you will have some friends to introduce under your link. If it is yours, you can also click here. This is called subscription registration. The right hand you see is called your dashboard. It will include yes. The balance of available is money. How much did you sell? And how much you've earned in 30 days. How many months, for example? There will be an order here. Your status will last for 30 days. On the other side are the customer states. Information or a message. Then you'll click on the message. And as you can see, for example, is there an AI texting you back? There will be a message here. It's for you. Then you will click on create or close or activate it. So this part is pretty simple, but usually I will. Don't use this part too much.